Welcome to Phonics Online with Gems Cambridge. In this session, you will need a whiteboard and a whiteboard pen. In the previous session, I had introduced you to the sounds mp and sk. Mp and sk from Phonics Phase 4. Can you think of another word that has the mp sound in it? Can you think of a word that has the sk sound in it? Well done. If you come up with a word such as jump, lamp, limp, give yourself a house point. If you come up with a word such as task, tusk, give yourself a house point. Here are some images of other words that we had been looking at previously. Champ, desk, lamp, task. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write down the correct spelling for each of these words, and then we'll check them against mine. Ready, set, go. Good job. Now let's check your answers against mine. Champ, ch, a, mp, champ. D, e, sk, desk. L, a, mp, lamp. Ask, task. If you got them all correct, I'd like to award you 1 house point. Today we're going to look at a couple of more consonant blends. A consonant blend is a group of 2 or 3 consonants in words that make a distinct consonant sound, such as bl or spl. Today we're going to look at 4 new consonant blends. They are lt, ulp, ulf, ulk. Let's try them again because they're a little bit tricky. Ult, ulp, ulf, ulk. Ult as in belt, ulp as in help, ulf as in shelf, and ulk as in milk. Well done for trying. Let's apply our newfound knowledge. On the left I have some words with the ult sound in them, and on the right I have some images to represent each word. They are mixed up, however, so I'd like you to have a go at reading out the word and matching up the picture. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Off you go. Read it out loud with me. Lt, melt. The ice cream will melt in the sun. Lt, felt. Felt material is good to make flags from. Lt, belt. It is useful to wear a belt to keep your trousers up. Now let's match the pictures with the words. Melt, felt, and belt. If you matched yours up the same way as mine, give yourself 1 house point. Here are some new words. We have scalp, scalp. This part underneath your hair, on top of your head, is called a scalp. Yelp, yelp. That's a noise a dog can make. Help, help. This little girl is helping this boy do his work. Scalp, yelp, help. I would like you to practice writing those words down for me, please. I'm going to give you 10 seconds starting now. Good job. Give yourself a house point. Next we have sounds. Oof. I'd like you to help me read these through. G, a, oof. Golf. W, a, oof. Wolf. Sh, e, oof. Shelf. Do you think you can match up the pictures with the words? I'll give you 3 seconds. Good job. Golf. Here's a man playing golf. Wolf. This wolf doesn't look so scary. Shelf. I like to keep my books on the shelf. Award yourself 1 house point for a job well done. Next we have ulk. Ulk. Read these words out with me. Milk. Milk. Elk. Elk. Ulk. Sulk. Can you figure out which picture goes with which word? 3 seconds. Here it goes. Milk. Here is a carton of milk. Elk. This is an elk. Sulk. This girl looks like she's in a sulk. Give yourself a house point if you matched yours up the same as mine. To finish off today's session, I would like you to attempt to write out this sentence. Let's read it together. Can you help me to reach the milk on the shelf? Can you help me to reach the milk on the shelf? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to write out that sentence all by yourself. Ready, set, go. Now let's check your sentence against mine. Can you help me to reach the milk on the shelf? If you listen carefully, the final word is risen when spoken. So that lets us know it's a question. If you included a capital letter and a question mark, then give yourself 1 house point. And if you managed to spell help, milk, and shelf correctly, give yourself another. A fantastic job, well done. You've come to the end of today's session. And just for fun, I'm going to give you 1 extra house point. Good job. Goodbye for now.